And dramatic COVID increases in Baltimore County have now prompted their county executive to add new restrictions. WMAR 2 News' Jeff Hager has more on the changes that are now in effect, as well as one you'll see starting next week. Jeff.
Modified hours on businesses, limits on gatherings, and the end of recreational sports. The county is stepping beyond the restrictions mandated by the state, with the state restricting restaurants to half of their capacity and Baltimore City cutting back to 1/4. Businesses in Baltimore County feared officials here may follow suit.
At the end of the day, this isn't a brick and mortar. These are human beings. I've got a lot of businesses here in Towson that have other places down in the city, and they don't think they're going to make it.
Baltimore County Executive Johnny Olszewski stopped short of cutting into their capacity, but he did target their hours and other problem areas for the potential spread of the virus.
Effective 5 p.m. Sunday, all gatherings, not otherwise subject to specific state guidance, will be limited to 10 people indoors and 25 people outdoors. Bars and restaurants will be required to close at midnight in Baltimore County.
Also beginning Tuesday, all recreational sports, both public and private in the county, will be prohibited. The new restrictions apply to social gatherings like parties, concerts, weddings, and fundraisers, while they do not include restaurants, private schools, and child care. While he's trying to eliminate all but dining in bars and restaurants with the midnight cutoff, Olszewski held off on cutting into their capacity to help them stay afloat.
I'm not just the director of the Towson Chamber. I work with all the chambers and business groups throughout Baltimore County, and it would have crippled them if we would have went to 25%. So we're very, very grateful for that.
The county executive has pledged to aggressively enforce these new restrictions if people don't adhere to the safety measures on their own. Reporting in Baltimore County, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.
All right, Jeff.